If I want to write down the nature of root in one shot, so this can be helpful for your examination point of view. Nature of roots, correct? Then it depends. Suppose ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 is the quadratic equation. Then we have d, which is called discriminant, equal to b square minus 4ac, and we can compare like this. Situation number 1, when d is greater than 0, then the values will be real and unique, or you can say roots are not equal or not same. Under d is greater than 0, two things can be happened. One is d is a perfect square, like I said, 4, 25, 49, 144, like these numbers. Then the roots are real. Instead of real, you can say directly rational. That will be better. Rational, because rational numbers are real, rational and unique. And if it is not a perfect square, if it is not a perfect square, like you can take down some example like 10, 8, 19, 20, 24, 200. These are not a perfect square. Then the result will be irrational number, and still it will be unique. Why it is irrational? Because you will get some root over 10, root over 8, which you cannot find as an integer. Case number 2, if d is equals to 0, then the values are real, but they are equal, right? Equal, you can take down some example, right? Okay, you can take down any example, like I said, x square minus 64x plus 1024. This is actually a equals to 1, b equals to 64, and c equals to 1024. If you will finding d equal to b square minus 4ac, so it will be 64 square minus 4 into 1 into 1024. What is the value of 64 square? Okay, 64 square will be 4096, and this is also 4096, so it comes up 0. Okay, this means in this case roots are equal. Do you know what will be the root here? Roots will be, x will be 8 only, 8 comma 8. Okay, now x will be 32 comma 32. X will be 32 comma 32. Do you know why? Because this is the formula of x minus 32 whole square. Okay, now the last situation, if d is lesser than 0, this means values are not real. I mean to say roots are not real, but they are unique. You can say in many books this is not given, but better to write it down, unique. I mean to say they are not same. You can take down example like x square plus 3x minus 8 equal to 0 plus 8 equal to 0. If we will be finding this one, here a equals to 1, b equals to 3, c equals to 8. So finally d equals to b square minus 4ac. So 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 8. 3 square minus 4 into 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 8. So it will be 9 minus 32. It comes up minus 23, which is lesser than 0. Thus in this scenario, the roots will be the roots will be not real. So these are the three scenario. You can make it in short. If you'll be remembering this one, all the questions related to nature of root can be solved. Okay. The equation three x square minus 12x, 3x square minus 12x plus n minus 5 equal to 0 plus n minus 5 equal to 0 has equal roots. Find the value of n. So this is the question. Okay. So what we have to find first, solution is 3x square minus 12x plus n minus 5 equals to 0. At first find the value of a, b and c, that is the coefficient of x square, x and the constant term. So here a equals to 3, b equals to minus 12 and c equals to n minus 5. And you know how to determine the nature, because it is saying equal, this means d must be equal to 0. So you can say as the roots are equal, d must be equals to 0. And what is d? d mean to say b square minus 4ac must be equals to 0. This means what is b? b is minus 12. So minus 12 square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is n minus 5 is equals to 0. Then you can solve this equation and find the value of n. So what you have to do is 144 minus 12 into n, it is 12n minus minus plus 60 is equals to 0. 144 plus 60 is how much? Is 204 equals to 12n. I can put down the 12 that side and put 12 this side. Therefore 204 by 12 is equals to n. So n equals to how much? 12 and 204 can be cancelled. 12 1 ja 12. Then how much? 84. 12 7 ja. So n equal to 7, and that will be the answer. This type of conditional question comes up a lot. Okay. Another question I can solve. m minus 2 into x square minus 5 plus m into x minus 5 plus m into x plus 16 equals to 0. Plus 16 equals to 0. This is the equation, and the condition is given that find the value of m, find the value of m if the roots are real and equal. Let us solve it. So at first the same thing, what is the equation here? Solution. Given equation is m minus 2 into x square minus 5 plus m into x plus 16 is equals to 0. So here a equals to m minus 2, b equals to minus 5 plus m, and c equals to 16. Okay. You know, because the roots are real and equal, so what we'll say? We'll say that as roots are equal. So can I say that d equal to 0, and d is what? b square minus 4ac equals to 0. The same thing. As it is here, I have done the same thing. Now b square minus 4ac mean to say this one minus 5 plus m whole square minus 4 into m minus 2 into 16 is equals to 0. So this will become, you can make negative square is positive, so we'll just do the a plus b whole square, so it is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4m plus 8 minus 4m plus 8 into 16 was also there, so it will be minus 64m and this will be 128 equals to 0. Am I right? Like 16 4 ja 64 into m, so it is 64m and negative negative positive 64 into 2 128 equal to 0. Now solve it. So you arrange it in a quadratic equation, it will be m square 64 and 10, so it will be minus 54m and 128 plus 25, so it will be plus 153 is equals to 0, correct? Okay, so you have to do the middle term factor. See, it is coming up 51 into 3 and 51.3 is 54, both are positive, so you have to add it. So it will be m square minus 53m minus m plus 153 is equals to 0. Not m, it is 51m and it is 3m, correct? 51 3 ja 153. Okay, so this m can be taken common, it will be m minus 51 and minus 3 can be taken common, m minus 51 is equals to 0. So finally what I got, m minus 51 can be taken common, m minus 3 equals to 0. So 1 m minus 5 equal to 0 or m minus 3 equal to 0, m minus 51. So m equal to how much? 51 or m equals to 3, correct? So final answer m equal to 51 or 3. This will be the answer. Okay.